Yes, now we can start. So how much you wrote now? 35 over now? 36?
Ma'am, 36.
39,
30, ma'am.
39 we were doing. Yes,
We
or no?
did in the class
31 up to, ma'am. Up to 31.
Up to 31 only we wrote?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am,
No,
35.
40.
We can write
35.
Sorry.
40.
Ma'am, 35 only, ma'am. 35.
5.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we can
I
go.
wrote 40, but someone
You did not
write.
I wrote 50 up to 50.
I do up to 39.
Up to 31. Okay, 31. We can finish it fast.
No, ma'am, we finished 35.
35. Now 36 only, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now we are going to start 36.
Yeah, ma'am. 36.
31. 31 we can write. 31 all of them wrote. All of you wrote
Yes,
31.
ma'am. 31, 35 only.
35.
No,
Up to
ma'am.
35 we wrote.
No.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
39 I
Ma'am,
said
I did
already.
not write.
Up to
Yes.
35.
Ma'am, I did
Someone
not
didn't
write.
write.
Who?
You taught us.
Ma'am,
You
I did
taught
not
us.
write.
You
did
taught
not
us.
write?
You taught us,
Excuse me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
I did not write.
Who is that? Tell
I
me.
did not write up to 31. Ma'am,
Okay,
Rana
we can
Fatima.
start. Okay, we can start now. It will
Ma'am,
be
you
open.
taught.
So
You
32.
taught.
32. How will you write 32? X, X,
X, X, X, then 2.
2.
To write 40, ma'am, 40, 40.
50
Next
here,
one,
then
33. This is large numbers I took.
50, then 10. So it will be 40. Large numbers we study, ma'am.
Large numbers, that one I took by mistake.
Now you can change it by screen sharing.
Yes, now 31. How will you write 31? X, X, X,
X, X,
I.
3X, then 1.
Then I. 32. How will you write 32?
2,
X,
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 X, X,
I.
2.
I. Okay. Next one,
40.
40,
40.
Excel.
40 I will
40
tell you.
L, then X. X.
Excel only, right?
Subtract, so it will be subtract.
Excel.
10.
Ma'am, how to write 40, ma'am? 40.
Wait.
XL.
Excel.
L here X. Yeah. So it will be subtract. Before.
Okay, now it will open. Then next one, 39. How you wrote? X, 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 I, X. Then 40. How will you write?
X here, then
XL.
X. XL.
40 you have to write it as XL.
XL.
Because L is 50. 50 minus, which is higher
10.
value?
50 minus 10. 50.
Minus
So it
10.
will
What
be
is 50
subtract.
minus 10?
Before.
We'll get it as
40.
40.
40. Excel.
XL.
Excel, double Excel like that.
Double XL. Yes.
Not double XL.
That
This one not.
that will be 30. Double Excel.
35. 36.
3.
All of you finished this up to here. You can write
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
XL 40.
41.
40 you wrote?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I did not write up 13 and all.
13.
13.
Up 13 up to 35, I did not write.
Now write it.
40 and all I write and
Now you
Will you
write
show
also
it?
did not write. You write it
1000 I
fast.
study.
Okay, we'll be seeing from here. Fast.
How to write 41, ma'am? 41.
Now you let them write. Who did not write? Complete it fast.
L here, then 10.
Complete it fast. All of you, those who did not write.
Ma'am, will you show board? How to write 41?
Yes.
I'm on disturbance.
Will you show board? Will you show
Now,
board?
all of you mute your audio.
Ma'am, Lena is asking, can you show the board one more time?
Yes.
Right.
Now you complete it. 31 onwards, you can see. 31 up to 35. All of you finished?
Ma'am, how to write 41, ma'am?
Yes.
41.
31 means 1.
41, ma'am.
41. First you
41.
should
This
put
one all
L,
finished? Huh?
then 10, then this one.
Afterwards,
No.
don't say that,
Someone
not finished. 40 XL. Over.
41, ma'am.
41 XLI.
Yeah, ma'am. XLI. So it will be
XLI. Next one, 41
42.
XLI.
42 XLI.
42 you can write. How will you write 42?
Excuse me, ma'am.
XLI.
Will
3
you send it to WhatsApp?
I.
Will you send it to WhatsApp?
Yes. 43 you can write XL3I. But you have to write now. Now one should simply sit.
Yes, ma'am. I'm right.
I will ask the questions.
Ma'am, 50 is very simple.
Edwin, how you
50
wrote?
we should put on
45,
L only.
44.
60. I know.
Edwin, how you wrote 44?
Ma'am, can you show 1 second the board?
Forty-one XLI. 42 you can write
Ma'am,
XL.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have doubt in 35.
35.
Yes.
X 5. V. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5.
I will write 15.
Huh?
15, 50.
Wait, I am coming there. Wait. Who is that asking? Anandan, wait, I am coming there. Let all of them finish.
Only
50 you
L.
are knowing the value. What is the value
Yes,
for
ma'am.
50?
L.
L. So you can write that.
51 and 51.
Vishnu Venu, mute your audio. Finished all of you up to 45?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Don't know.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I finished.
Chapter 49.
45. Now I am going to change the board here.
We should copy this into a paper.
Yes, notes you have to write it.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Everything you have to
Someone
write
come
in
like,
notes.
ma'am, someone come like Aradhya one
Yes.
something. Aradhya one, someone come like that way.
Arathya.
Yeah, one knee.
Yes, ma'am, one knee.
Yeah, one girl. She's feeding and all.
45 finished all of you?
She's video is there. She's muted.
Now how will you write 46, Rina Fatima? 46, how will you write?
X,
Hmm.
L,
X.
V,
Hmm.
I.
Okay, very good. Is it correct? XLVI.
Yes, ma'am. Excel.
Yes, ma'am, that's correct.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how to write 51? We
51.
P, then
Li,
put
Li.
Li. 52
Li.
Li 51. Then L.
Ma'am, how do we write 50?
Wait,
How
wait.
do we write 50?
L, then 2I.
45, all of you finished? Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am. 46.
46. XLVI. 46. 47. XLVII. So special numbers you can remember 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All these tens you can remember easily. You should remember that. What is the value
Ma'am,
for? How
you
will
will
you write?
teach up to 1000.
Huh?
You will teach up to 1000.
No, up to 100.
Okay.
Afterwards we can split and write.
85.
I study about 2000. All the digits. 1000 takes so much. Yeah, 1000 M. I know how to write 1000 up to 1000. Only there up to 1000.
How much time will take? Problem, I think. Finished all of you up to 50?
I finish
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I finished up to 676.
Which one? L, 50, you can write it as L.
Yes, ma'am.
51, you can write it as Li.
60,
52, Lii.
60,
63, you
we
can
should,
write it as Lii.
then 60 we should write L plus 10, 26.
Finished all of you up to 53?
70 and only 7. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how to write 60?
Ma'am, can you show
Wait, wait,
60, L plus 1. So 26.
L plus 1.
67 and 8.
wait.
70.
53 over all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Not finished. Those who did not finish, you raise your hands. 53. Up to 53. Those who did not finish, you raise your hands. All of you finished? Shall we go to the next one up to 60?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
53 over. Next one.
Ma'am, can you show 40?
51.
Ma'am, someone is asking doubt.
Vishnu, ma'am,
Someone
Vishnu.
is asking.
Yes, Vishnu.
Not
I cannot
Vishnu,
hear you.
someone
Yes,
else.
ma'am.
God's
Vishnu
name.
Lee. Yes, ma'am. Vishnu
Tell me
Lee.
your doubt, Vishnu.
God's name.
Vishnu Lee, ma'am. Vishnu Lee.
How to write 60?
60. How will you write? 50 plus 10.
Yeah.
LX.
70,
LX.
70, 50 plus
Okay, ma'am.
1 plus 10. So it will be 70.
54.
He
LIB.
also like that.
55. Up to 60. All of you are finished?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. 85. 85. I
Ma'am,
finished.
can you show 30?
Ma'am, I study up to
One.
1000.
Previous one.
Ma'am, Ronita is asking something, ma'am.
No, ma'am,
Ronita.
not Ronita. No, some
Yes.
other else only. No.
All of you mute your audio. All of them unmuted now. For what? Mute your audio. Vishnu Venu. Edwin Pavan. Yes, Rina Fatima. Up to 53, 54, 55. $59, how you wrote 59?
Ma'am,
59, how you wrote?
L then, ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, 59, how you wrote?
L then, then this
LIX.
then. L then,
LIX.
LIX.
LIX, 59.
That's correct, ma'am.
Correctly you wrote?
Yes, ma'am, I wrote up. I also wrote that correct.
What is wrong?
Ma'am, LIX, we will, in English, we will read it LIX.
LIX. LIX. Okay, finish now up to 60.
Yes, ma'am, I finished up to 100.
Complete up to 69, ma'am.
69, very good.
Ma'am, I write up to 100.
You know how
Not
to write
100.
it. You
Ma'am,
came to
no.
know how to write it.
Yes,
60,
ma'am,
how you wrote it?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show 39?
LX
40?
LX.
70 LXX.
Ma'am, I have finished.
LX.
Ma'am, I am now starting to.
Yes, mute your audio, all of you. 60 LX. Finished all of you up to 60? Who did not finish up to 60?
Finish.
Finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go to the next one?
Yes,
61. 61 onwards. I'm not showing the board. I'm not showing the board. 61.
Ma'am, excuse me.
How you wrote 61? Emmanuel?
Ma'am, I have reached to 67.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I reached up to 1000. 1000 finish.
Yes.
I.
Some are not writing. So don't say the answers now.
LX.
61, how you wrote? Emmanuel? How you wrote?
LXI.
I.
LXI.
L-I-X-I.
It is not Emmanuel.
It is not Emmanuel.
Emmanuel, who's it?
Ma'am, how do we write 70?
Wait.
How to write?
61, L-X-I.
LXX.
62, L-X-I-I. L-X-I-I. 3 I's you should write. 64.
Ma'am, now I am.
8. Finish now. 68.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now I am in 1005.
All of you finished up to 70.
Ma'am, can you
What is
show
70 you wrote,
39 and
Shivagayatri?
40?
Yes, ma'am.
What you wrote
Yes,
for
ma'am.
70?
Ronita is asking one doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. But she's not saying it loudly.
Which one?
Ronita is,
Ronita, what
but
is your
she's
doubt?
not saying loudly.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute.
He's
Unmute.
muted. She's
Can you show 39 and 40?
30,
9 and 40.
39 and 40. I should show that answers. Okay.
how to write 70.
Vishnu Venu, mute your audio. You are talking too much today.
Understood that.
I think so. Or like
39.
Or
39
like
is
this
wrong
chapter.
here.
Very easy when we
X,
write manual.
X, X, I, X. 39.
Okay, ma'am, finished.
ma'am,
Ma'am, I come
or
to now.
exercise, but it's not continuous.
Yes.
Ma'am, now I am in 1007.
You are getting an idea how to write?
Very easy.
Yes, ma'am, it's very easy and if we are
Excuse
studying,
me, ma'am.
75.
Excuse me, ma'am.
70, what is the symbol for 70?
Also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
70
Will you
LXX.
show 14?
LXX. 80
40.
LXXX.
Yes.
3X. And
Excel.
1 N.
Excel. 40 Excel.
40.
40 is XL. XL.
Now we
To
got
60,
an
all of you
idea
finished?
to do.
68 also finished. 75.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have doubt in 39.
39. X.
Amish,
X.
we should write these numbers in paper. I've now finished.
X.
1009.
X. X. I. X.
Ma'am, we should write this in paper and file it.
What?
We should
Not clear, Vishnu Venu. What you are asking?
He's asking,
Yes,
we
ma'am,
should
I
write
got
this
it.
in
He's
paper and file it.
File
He's
it.
asking.
Which one? 5X.
Not
No,
that.
no. Here not
file.
continuous coming.
Not
4
that.
X's
Not
are
that.
4
ma'am.
X are there.
that.
Continuously it should not
Not
come.
that.
X should
Ma'am,
not
not
come.
that, ma'am. Ma'am, it's not that.
Yes.
He is asking. We want to write this in paper and file it. File.
Yes. You should write in paper
With
and
And
numbers
now I am in
and Roman
2000.
numbers.
Ma'am, can you show
Already
66?
18.
Excuse
Ma'am,
me,
can you
ma'am.
show 66?
Ma'am, now I
67.
finished up to 2000.
65, 66. LXVI. LXVI. 66.
Yes, ma'am. We got an idea to do.
75.
One more, you will show 65, 66, 67, and 68.
Yes. 66. LXVI. 67.
Now I reached up to
LXVII.
And now I reached up to 2004. 2004.
Ma'am, here is
Yes.
2004.
Yeah, now I am in 2006.
68 finished all of you? Yes, already finished. 75. Up to 75, all of you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who did not finish? Okay, you can write it.
Now I finished.
I should show the board.
3,000.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now I finished up to
Ma'am,
3,000.
someone
Don't
came
copy,
the
simply.
name. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, someone had written admin in their name. Admin.
Yeah, admin.
I think so. Sienna. Sienna.
Rename. They didn't rename.
She didn't rename her.
Yes. Sri Shankar, mute your audio. 75, all of them wrote?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can you choose
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you choose 16?
16.
Amin is asking 60.
60. LX.
Now I am in 4,000.
LX. Rina Fatima, mute your audio. 68 finished. 75,
60?
all of you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Next
Ma'am,
76.
now I come.
Ma'am, Sri Shankar is saying he reached 4,000.
4,000.
Simply saying.
Not, ma'am. Really, like sure.
Now I will not show the board. You have to write it.
Finish, ma'am. I finished.
Ma'am, that's
4,000.
better, ma'am. Otherwise, all will be right.
4,000. I finished.
The
number is getting
bigger.
I will show.
one?
4,000.
Nuvenu is so upset today. What happened? Yesterday he was not there in class.
No, ma'am, that number is coming bigger.
I cannot hear you, Sri.
Ma'am, can you show 55, 55?
Finished now?
Ma'am, Amin is asking something, ma'am.
Yes, Amin, what is your doubt?
He's muted.
If I can show
83 over, all of you are writing?
Ma'am, he is asking 55.
90.
Ma'am, Amin is asking.
Yes, who is asking?
55. Amin is
What do you-
asking
what
to
do you
show 55 or something.
55.
Ma'am, that my hand. Ma'am, I write up to 90.
Uh,
Up to 4,000.
Each chapter.
55 is there.
Ma'am, can you show 80? No, ma'am,
80.
sorry. 53, sorry.
80 is LXXX.
53.
Now I am in up to
53 you want?
4,000.
Ma'am, will you show 79 and 18?
Wait. 53 is LIII.
Finish. Now I am in
79.
And 80.
79. 75 is there. 76, 79. LXXIX.
Only last
LXXIX.
only last one, 45. Only 45.
80, how will you write 80? L is 50.
I can show last 45 only.
45.
one problem. I can't write this. Okay, I will write.
45 is XLV.
XLV. Yes, ma'am.
And now we reached 4,000.
Yes, Amin, what is your doubt now?
55. He finished it out, I think so, ma'am.
Ma'am, I tell 35. 35. 35.
75 over this. All of
Not,
you.
Ma'am, he is asking 55.
not 35.
Now
55.
85.
No, 35.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have reached to 90.
Ma'am, will you show
I reached
81?
up to
Which one?
81.
3,004.
Ma'am, can
Not
you
4,004.
81 is LXX.
Ma'am, can you show?
Ma'am, will you give us homework? Otherwise, all will ask, can you give?
Ma'am,
Can
can
you
you show? Up to write 90.
90, not
I reached up
19.
to 4,004.
LC,
ma'am,
LC. XC.
X and C.
So it will be subtract.
Yes.
So it will be
Ma'am,
90.
can you show
90.
84?
84 LXXIV.
Mama, how to write 90?
Some are
XC.
going very fast, some are there still.
Now I am in
how to write
4006.
XC you can write. XC is 90.
And how to write 100?
100 is symbol is there. What is the symbol for 100?
Ma'am, will you show 89?
Ma'am, can you show it?
So 91 XCI,
Ma'am, will you
92
show
XCII, 93 XCIII, 94 is XCIV, next one 95 is XCP.
Ma'am, how to write 90?
Yes. 91 will be 99 will be 90 plus 9.
Ma'am, 90 can I am in 4009.
XC.
XCVI,
Excuse me, ma'am, will you
Yes.
show 89?
89.
Write up to 100.
XC is 90. 91 is XCI.
Ma'am, can you show 89?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ronita is asking, can you show it?
Ma'am, I reached 100.
100. Okay.
100
89
is-
Mama, I reached it. I finished
100 is the
4000.
IX.
Now I am going to 5000.
LX, 3X you should write.
Ma'am,
50
will
plus,
you show 94?
yes,
94.
94. XCIV.
And 96.
Ma'am, I finished 100.
Yes. XCV is 95.
Ma'am, 96.
Mama, I finished up to
96
Now I am in
XCVI. 97 is XCVII. 98 XCVIII. XCIX. 99. And the last one is 100.
Soon we finish up to 100, ma'am.
Finished up to 100. Is it clear now?
Within one day.
5000. I know and up to 5000. Mama, I write up to 4000.
Who is that?
Sri Shankar.
Sri Shankar.
Sri Shankar finished up to 4,000. Very good.
Before he said it was 100. Then he reached 1000.
4000.
Then
4,000.
2000. Then 3000. Now 4000.
4000.
Very fast.
Are you writing or discussing there? Finished all of you?
After finishing only we are discussing. Not discussing.
Now I will ask you how you will write in reverse order.
Reverse 100 to 1.
Not like that.
Then, ma'am.
What is
And how
the
much?
symbol for C?
Oh, like that. Okay, okay.
In the reverse order, now you have to answer it.
Okay, ma'am. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Up to 100 only?
Up to 100 enough. Afterwards, you can write very few problems. Up to 1000 and all, no need of writing now. In future, you can study.
I am writing up to 6. Why?
Now, one number I will ask you, how you will write it. Then, afterwards, tomorrow we can start teaching one number. So, what is the symbol for 10? All of you finished?
Yes, ma'am. X is.
So, all of you finished now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Don't
I
know.
write
One
up
question I will
to
ask you. If you are able to answer this,
5005.
one question I will ask you. If you are able to answer, if you are able to answer it or not, I will see first. Then we can start the other problem tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
These are the problems now. Now 160.
What, ma'am?
160. How will you
First we
write?
should put
Yes,
C.
ma'am.
C.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Now I will ask one. Sri Shankar, how will you write 160?
Relax.
Ma'am, C. First you should put C.
Yes.
100.
So how will you split
Then-
this?
CLX, ma'am. CLX.
CLX.
Plus 50
T. So it will be
Plus-
160.
10.
plus next one what you will write?
10.
10.
10.
What is the symbol for 100?
C.
C.
C. Symbol for 50?
L.
Yes.
L.
X. Okay.
Ma'am, so it will be
L, X. Think you understood.
160. Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
understood.
We understood, ma'am.
Copy. Okay.
Very
One more problem. Now I will
just
tell one
problems
more.
will be coming
Very
in
clear.
one book.
One more I will
Somewhat
tell
biggest
afterwards.
problem
You
will
can
be
here.
coming.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
C L X I X.
Excuse
Now
me,
what is this
C.
number?
It's
Can you write it?
169. 169.
169.
How much?
169.
169.
Yes, very good. Excellent.
169.
169. C is 100 plus 50
Simply you
plus
want to
10
add 9.
plus
Yeah.
9. Okay, very good. That means you understood. Simply
Yes, ma'am.
not telling.
It's very easy. Now I
Yes.
finish
Yeah, we understood by
5005,
doing
ma'am.
Yes.
5005. I
2000 help.
sure.
So we can do the some more problems, examples connecting this next class.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
now I finished up to 5006.
5006 up to that.
Yes,
Now
I
can you
think
tell
so
me
he's saying
how will you
something.
write 172?
not
Abhishek?
really only. I finished.
Abhishek, how will you write 172?
Ma'am, can I please?
So which are the symbols now? First one for 10, 20,
Yeah,
all
let's
these
say
10
7,
multiples
1,
of 10 you can remember. What is the number for 10? X.
X.
What is the number for 20?
XX.
X.
X. What is the number for
30.
X?
30
X,
X, X.
40 is little bit changed.
Yeah.
What
X,
is the symbol
X.
for 40?
XL. Oh,
XL.
sorry.
X, X,
Ah,
X.
yes, ma'am.
X.
3X
What-
then.
What is the symbol for 50 you are knowing?
L. L.
What is
That's
the
L.
symbol for 50?
L.
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 Okay.
L.
60, how will you write?
L plus 1. X, L plus 10.
L plus
L
10.
plus
LX.
X.
LX.
60, you
LX.
can write it as LX. 70, how will you write?
LX, X,
LXXS.
80, how will you write?
LX, X.
LX.
3x.
Three.
90,
XC.
XC.
C.
that means you understood. We can stop here.
It will be
Tomorrow we
subtracting.
can do the
C will be.
Okay, ma'am.
That
It is a
rules.
multiple section, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now shall we do the workbook problems or? Okay, bye.
Thank
See
you,
you.
ma'am. We can see tomorrow.
Tomorrow we can
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.